Hello! A receptionist will have to prepare the work area before delivering the service to incoming guests. And the duties performed by receptionists are generally divided into shifts. In this video, you will learn the duty distribution during each shift. Morning shift. This shift starts from 7 a.m. until 4:30 p.m., while the responsibilities imposed during this shift include checkout service and preparing the service for incoming guests. Afternoon shift. The job starts from 3 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. This shift gets you to deliver check-in service and to provide service guests. Night shift. The last shift begins from 11 p.m. to 7:30 in the morning. The main tasks are to prepare the night shift equipment and to serve the early checkout. Mid-shift or swing shift. This shift starts from 11 a.m. until 7:30 p.m. Among the others, this shift is more like a substitution shift for the break time between the morning and the afternoon shift. Right before you begin any shift, you sure need to prepare all the things necessary for the job. As a receptionist, can you name what things you should prepare beforehand? 1. Handover. Handover, or literally a briefing, is a preparational activity done 15 to 30 minutes between the shift change. During the session, the staff who will end the shift will hand the documentation like reception diary and also important verbal information. In this situation, you can ask the prior shift officer about the details of information you haven't understood before. 2. Is this handover important? The space between handover period will give you time to prepare the stuff relating to your tasks. This is such an effective process to enhance staff's performance. Besides, during the handover period, you can also check if the desktop devices such as computer, printer, and cash register are working properly or not. 3. Reception diary. A receptionist always needs a daily journal to log all the information during her shift, and also on the other shifts as well. This journal is commonly called reception diary. In a reception diary, you can find notes relating to issues or specific information on the prior days. Reception diary will be very helpful for staff who is taking annual leave in the long term. The information will help them learn the occurring issues during their days off right before they start their work again. All the lessons you have learned here are according to the International Standard Competence, nurturing you to grow.